That's really great. One thing I'll just take up is check chemistry. Okay. Now, nice resume. Great. Project intern under Professor Ramakrishna. Okay, nice. That's really great. Face detection recognition, flight prices prediction, and your look. Had you graduated? Are you in your? I think you are graduated.
Yes, sir. I graduated.
Okay, okay, okay. So we will consider you under job seeking candidates. Let's move. What is the role are you seeking for?
Sir, I'm looking into the machine learning field, sir.
Machine
Artificial
learning field,
intelligence. Yes,
artificial
sir.
intelligence plus machine learning field. Ah, now coming to the whole scenario of this, uh, manager ask
Wait a
her.
sec. I mean,
Okay, okay. I think
uh, so you may continue. I got a call from Fondo.
that's it. Okay. Look, Soumya. One thing. You are looking for a job, but did the college didn't provide any placement assistance from their side?
Sir, in my college, there is no placement support, sir.
Why? Any reasons for that?
So, because my college is a tier 3 college,
Okay.
so they didn't provide it.
Just a sec. Tier three. What's your college name?
So, JNTU College of Engineering, Kalikiri, sir.
I I think some universities also named after just such as JNU Hyderabad is providing placement assistance. Then why this university is not providing?
So, actually, my college is under JNTU Anantapur.
Uh-huh.
So it is a tier 3 college, and our college is not supporting placements to the students.
Look, okay, that's enough. That's enough. We will right up jump to the questions round. What is the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning?
So in supervised learning, two dependent variables and independent variables are there, where we find relation between them to predict.
Okay.
And unsupervised learning, we didn't assign labels to the model. We just give input data to the model to predict. So.
What are the difference between a decision tree and the random forest?
So random forest comes under decision tree, sir. It is example for decision tree, sir.
Can you explain me about what is overfitting and underfitting in machine learning?
Yes, sir. So in overfitting, the model is trained from training data and testing data. It give accurate result more than 90%, sir, which is not good. And in underfitting, the model is not enough trained with the training data, sir.
One practical question: how do you handle the missing data set in a data set?
So to handle missing data, first I go through the data, how to handle, and I will try to use statistical methods to replace the data like mean, median, mode. So.
Okay, that's enough. Had you did any projects regarding this machine learning of scenario? Did you do any projects regarding this?
Sir, yes, sir, I did face detection and recognition, sir.
Face detection and recognition is under artificial intelligence. Anything related to machine learning?
Sir, related to machine learning, no, sir. I just learned, sir.
Okay. One thing, had you applied for this job in this particular scenarios? Did you apply for anything?
Sir, I applied jobs, but my profile is not shortlisted, sir.
I can see. Okay, that's enough from our side. One thing, what is the validation technique in machine learning?
Sir, validation is used to test, to know the how the model is performing with the testing data, sir.
Okay, then what are the machine learning libraries or frameworks which you are familiar with?
Sir, the libraries I know is NumPy Panda, sir.
Okay, then what is the? Have you worked with TensorFlow or PyTorch?
Sir, during the internship, I have gone through the PyTorch, sir.
Okay, what's the purpose of hyperparameter tunneling?
Sir, hyperparameter tuning is used to uh, know the model how it is working in different scenarios while changing its values, sir.
That's great. What's the purpose of gradient descent?
So, gradient descent algorithm, it is used to. I'm not remembering exactly, sir.
Okay,
So sorry.
that's enough. That's enough.
Okay.
So, Soumyashri, I can see that you have answered all the questions. Then, why didn't you try for going for an offline interview?
Sir, I gone through walk-ins also, sir.
Uh-huh.
But when I went there, already interviews are going on. But due to that huge people, my I'm not. I mean they are not allowed, sir.
Okay, okay, that's enough. That's enough. Look, Soumya, Shri, we are considering you under the job seeking candidate. So, we have to make up another meet. We have to meet in another meet. We will take up the hiring manager and the placement assistant manager in this. So, you may leave the meeting. We will forward you another meeting details in your email. Thank you. Thanks for coming. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Next, Abhijit. Next one is Abhijit.
Yes, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, you are audible.
Sir, myself Abhijit Borade from Nasik city.
Mm-hmm. 2026. Okay.
Hello.
You are audible. Please introduce yourself.
Sir, sir, myself Abhijit Borade from Nasik city. I have completed my diploma in KKO Polytechnic College, sir. And currently I am pursuing a BTech degree in Sandeep University as a computer science CSE student.
Okay, that's enough. Uh, look, Abhijit, the background noise is very high from your side. Could you please check that,
Yes, sir.
or is there any problem at my side? Because I can see that there is no network issues from my side. So, Kaushik, are you on pursuing?
Yes, sir. I am pursuing candidate, sir.
Look,
At third
Abhijit,
year, sir.
in your third year and you are looking for an internship. So, as of now, the hiring manager is having some network issues, so he couldn't ask you some sort of problems. So, we will forward you all the details regarding this on your email. I'll not answer any questions to the pursuing candidates. Thank you. Thanks for coming. Thank you. Next one. Bhima Raju, this is a last chance I'm giving you. This is the last chance. If you fumble
Okay,
up
sir.
in this
Thank you,
chance,
sir.
I'll ban you up. That's all.
Okay, okay, sir.
Please
Thank you, sir.
introduce yourself.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mhm.
My name is Bhima Raju, and currently I am pursuing my final year in BTech Computer Science. And my domain is machine learning, and I have done some projects in machine learning like pre-enumeration and movie recommendation systems. And my core languages are C, Java, and Python, sir.
C, Java, and Python. That's great. Bhima, from which university are you? Are you on pursuing or you are graduated?
Sir, I'm currently in my final year, sir, in
Uh,
Century University, Andhra Pradesh.
Final year, which sem? Final year, first sem or the final year, second sem?
So seventh sem, sir. Currently, I'm in my seventh sem, sir.
Seventh sem. Okay, that's great. So you are looking for an internship.
Yes, sir. I'm looking for internship to enhance my skills, sir.
Okay, okay. In which domain are you looking for?
Sir, I'm looking for artificial intelligence and machine learning, sir.
Artificial intelligence and machine learning. So I can see
Yes, sir.
that you have a GPA of 9.8 in your 10th, and intermediate you
Yes,
have a
sir.
GPA of 9.97
Ni-
percentage of 97 percentage, and you have
Yes, sir.
nice,
9%.
nice GPA of 9.1. One thing, Vima, is there any specific reason that the background noise is repeating?
Sir, present, I am in my college hostel, sir. So, it is Sunday. So, my friends and roommates are watching movies and playing games like that, sir. That's why background noise is coming, sir.
Look, Bhima, I'm only considering you because you are in final year student. If I reject you, na, these three companies won't hire you for 6 months right away. Ask the candidates who have rejected, na, they'll receive a mail regarding this that you have been banned from the six companies for the 6 months, because now we will share the details with the government plus to the hiring companies and to the hiring patterns. If they'll get to know that you are doing some sophisticated things in this interview, na, they'll right uply don't take up the resume and they'll block you from their website for 6 months. That's all.
Sorry for that, sir. I didn't repeat again.
Because of that all because of this intern candidates are students, we are scheduling this to Sundays. I am taking up my personal time. I am taking up these interviews on Sundays. So Bhima, we will get back to you on your email with the
Okay,
interview
sir.
details. Thank you. Uh, Next one. One thing. Who's this 22BR18 A6245?
Sir, myself Sushmita.
Susmita. Any specific reason for attaining this 22BR? Is this your roll number?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have forgotten to switch to my college mail to personal email when I applying for this.
Oh, you have to told me earlier about this. Look, I had rejected your resume. What should I do now?
Sir, there is an option to switch email.
No, 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 no. I had rejected your profile. What should I do now? The basic question.
So sorry, sir. Actually, I forgot to switch my college email to personal email.
Sorry, we can't do anything. Another one is second one is Harish. Harish, are you there?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, good morning, sir.
Very good morning. One thing, Harish, make sure you are in a tidy background. No background noise should come from your side, because
Yes, yes,
you had seen I had rejected most of the 5 to 6 candidates in this interview.
yes,
You
yes,
should
yes,
not be the one I will be rejecting now. Harish,
yes,
did you send your email regarding this on the email?
yes, sir. Yes, I did send the resume.
Money Harish, okay, that's great. Harish, introduce yourself to the panel.
Yes, sir. This is Malari Harish. I'm currently pursuing my BTech third year at Sri Venkateswara University, Tirupati, and I have basic knowledge of C, Python, and web designing, and also some knowledge on database systems. That's all I have, sir.
Okay, that's great. So, what's your core programming language and what domain are you looking for?
So I'm looking for a internship at the Cothon company. So like I don't have a domain, like I don't have any projects right now. So I'm just comfortable with Python and C, but with some basic knowledge on it.
So, what's your GPA in your college?
So like the GPA I got like 8.4. Sir.
Okay, and second of all, you are in pursuing candidate.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Harish. Thanks for coming. Look, I am not asking many questions about the pursuing candidates because the hiring manager is talking to the founder. He has a meeting. So you are selected.
Yes, sir.
Email will be forwarded to you. Thanks for coming. Thank you. Uh, Next one, Yashwini. Someone,
Yes, sir.
uh, please introduce yourself to the panel.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashwini. I'm a recent graduate. I completed my BE in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Stanley College of Engineering, Hyderabad. Before that, I completed my diploma from Government Polytechnic College and Mahabubnagar. I also completed an internship from DLRM where I worked on a project called Fast Fourier Series Transform. Um,
Okay,
So, this is about myself. Yes.
under job seeking candidate. Uh, what's your GPA in your BE?
So 8.3, sir.
And what job are you looking for?
Data science, sir, because
Got
I graduated from AI, so AI and DS. So,
AI and DS. Okay, just a sec. I'll check up the resume. Now coming to the questions round, what's the difference
Yes, sir.
between data science and traditional statistics?
Sir, data science uh, is a concept where we work on a large number of statistical representations, and we use various mathematical and statistical representations to work on a given data. And coming to the traditional way of working, we will not use much of statistical representations, sir, as much as I.
Can you explain the data science workflow?
Uh, Data science were like collecting the data from and then data analysis, storing, cleaning the data, then analyzing the data. This is a
Okay, okay, Ashwini, we think we can do something for you. We will schedule another meeting for you because I have many other candidates to take up the interview.
yeah,
We will get back to you into another meet. Thank you, nice of you. Thank you.
yeah. So thank you so much.
She is rejected guys, from my side. Don't have the basic knowledge. Being a graduate, they don't have the basic knowledge that you have a nice background. So next one, uh, Miss Lavanya.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Nice. I can hear you. Please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Lavanya, and I'm from Savitha Engineering College in Chennai. I'm currently pursuing my third year in CSE with specialization in Internet of Things. And I applied for web development domain in the internship. And I like creating websites. I love designing websites. And currently, I'm working on a project using React JavaScript, where I created a meal generator recipe. That is, if we give the inputs for the ingredient name, the cuisine type, and the time required, it generates an recipe that I integrated with Gemini API. So, yes,
Okay, okay, okay.
that's the
That's
brief.
great explanation. Had you participated in any hackathons वगैरह in your college?
Yes, sir. I have been to many hackathons. One is IBM Datathon. Actually, past last year also I participated, and this year also I participated in it, and also in a cybersecurity hackathon, sir. But I was not much. I'm not much well versed in cyber, but one of my friends, with my friends, I joined as a team, and we made it up to the finals.
Okay, what was your score in hackathon? What was your standings?
Actually, there was, I forgot to mention if I have mentioned in my resume or not, but there was an hackathon called Kavach Hackathon. Actually, that was it's similar to Smart India Hackathon, where we got third in the internal level, but we couldn't make it up to the next round. In IBM, we couldn't win, sir. We made it to the finals. We participated, but we didn't win the hackathon.
Okay, Lavanya, one thing. There
Yes.
was a one girl at our organization, one called Lavanya Sharma.
Okay.
You know, there's an she got a package of 12 LPA from our side in IBM.
Okay.
In IBM.
IBM. Okay, sir.
Because she also participated in this 2023 IBM Datathon,
Okay, okay, sir.
and
Did they win?
and she was the third runner up.
Okay, okay, sir.
So that's why I asked you about this particular hackathon. That's great. That's great to hear. Uh,
Yeah, but we couldn't make it, sir. We gave our best, but
okay, that's
yeah.
great. So, what is IoT? The basic question: what is IoT?
Internet of Things, actually uses internet to connect two or more devices. So basically, for an example, if I am smart controlling devices, best example is if I'm running an air conditioner, and according to the temperature, it either switches off, and when the humidity gets more, it switches on. Like that, smart controlling devices come under an example of IoT. Basic terms, if I have to explain.
Oh, that's great.
Okay, that's
But
good.
Yes.
one hiring manager, just one thing, one question from my side. Lavanya, do you think the EC is directly the EC department, electrical communication department, is directly linked to IoT?
Actually, we use a lot of sensors while making IoT projects. Linking it with Arduino, the code part somewhat comes under a CSE department, but connecting the sensors, we require a lot of circuit knowledge, which requires EC department, or not directly, but kind of. Sir.
But kind of na, the IoT is directly dependent on ECE branch because na IoT is using the sensors which have been made by the ECE branch. You have to
Sensor.
make sure you
Got
have to
it.
give the credit to the ECE branch first, and
Yeah.
then the IoT department comes into play due to the what are the things called such as the algorithms which are being used, such as the sensors, which
Yeah.
senses the whole scenario. So manager ask questions regarding IoT. And what was your domain?
Web development, sir.
Oh, Arey, being from an IoT, why are you opting for web development? Is there any
Like
specific?
I have more interest in web domains. Sir. I did do an internship in Internet of Things. It's my core, but I'm not much into that domain. So I'm not finding interest.
Okay.
But I have developed a project in IoT. Sir.
By seeing your resume, I can see that you are fit for IoT, but as usual, your wish. Hiring manager ask questions.
I would like to ask question on web development only as
क्या हुई?
okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the purpose of using WebSockets?
बात करता हूँ मैं. तुमको
WebSockets.
छोड़ना हो ना तो
Sir,
नहीं.
Yes.
actually, WebSockets is used for a real-time application
बात
on
नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
chat.
गुस्सा आ
For
रहा है.
example,
कितना
WhatsApp.
हो गया?
Like if you
एक
are
घर की
delivering a message from
अंकल
the
ने
server
मार एक
side, the
घंटा हो
client
गया
side
देखना
needs to
माइक ने को
receive it.
एक जनी
And if
आई
they are
आई
also
फिर चले गई उधर
delivering a
वापस से
message,
लेके क्या
it
देखा
needs to
है
be
तो
real-time. So for that, they use WebSockets.
मैं होता हूँ प्लेसमेंट का दे जा रहा
And
हूँ
what is
स्टेटमेंट
server
पूछना
side rendering?
जब चलूंगा
Server
सबसे
side
पहले
rendering
हमारे
is,
अच्छा छुट्टियां
for
बड़े
example,
देखते
if you are defining a component or in a DOM language, in a language like JavaScript or something, like in the server
हाँ
side, we need to
मैं आ
return
जाएगा
that
रोज
component. So rendering is that if you are defining
थोड़ी
a function,
बेसिक टेक्निकल
we
क्वेश्चन
have to return it to the server side, and the client side has to see it. So.
And what is the
डायरेक्टली
difference
आएगा
between get and post
टास्क दे तो ना
request?
वो टास्क सॉल्व करके मेरे को मंडे पे
Get is a post request is
आफ्टर
if you
दैट
are
आई प्रोवाइड
giving a particular
टिप्स
URL link. I used Postman to function in the API models.
इंटरनेट
So for post, if you are giving the post method, we are pasting a particular URL in that link.
इसका है
It will generate the particular response in the terminal. Getting is that
नेटवर्क बाहर
we get that particular URL.
निकल के लाइट
Post we post the URL and get the output. Getting is getting the particular route or something like that.
Okay, okay. And what is the role of ORM tool?
Sorry, sir.
ORM, Object Relational Mapping tool.
I'm not much aware of ORM tool, but I'm aware of mapping functions, sir. So I'm not into that.
Okay, okay, okay. And what about progressive map apps?
Progressive web application.
Web. Yes, yes, yes.
Progressive, I think they are more dynamic, sir.
इसको आज
Much
लगा
more
तो
responsive and compatible with the users.
हम ना
In
दूसरे
my
कंपनी का
knowledge.
टाई अप करने जा रहे हैं तेरा रिस्पांस क्या है बोल
Okay, okay. That's enough for today. And we will get back to your mail with all our
Okay.
internship details. You may leave the meet.
no no no
Okay.
no one thing
Yes, sir.
uh, one basic question from your side. What is
Yes.
a domain? What is a domain?
Actually, it's an address. I I encountered the same question with another candidate, sir. So yeah.
Yeah.
So make sure you try to mugging up with the interview so that the basic questions can't be said all the time. Thank you. Thanks for coming. Thank you, Lavanya. You are
Thank you,
selected.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir. Uh, next one. Next one. Raju Pradip. Sorry everyone if I spell their names wrong. Mr. Raju, would you please open up? Mr. Raju. Fourth time, Mr. Raju. Fifth time, Mr. Raju.
So just remove them.
One got eliminated. Next one. Uh, Satvika. Miss Satvika.
Yes, sir. Good
Uh,
morning.
Very good morning. Please introduce yourself to the panel.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Satvika. I'm currently in third year of my BTech. I'm from Hyderabad, and my specialization is in artificial intelligence and machine learning.
Okay, but had you forwarded your resume to us?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I emailed my resume to you.
so you are in pursuing candidate, right?
Yes, sir.
In your third year right now,
Yes, sir.
from Malaradi
Yes, sir.
Engineering
Malarode
College.
Engineering College.
Great name, great
Thank
college. I had visited many times to Malaradi. I had taken up candidates from Malaradi through the placement scenario, but I found that the 90% candidates don't have the technical knowledge skills. But I think you have the knowledge because I think your resume is one of the greatest thing I'm seeing, and
you. Thank you, sir.
you're also having some projects such as talking assistants and e-commerce application. I want
Yes.
to know something about this e-commerce application. Could you please elaborate?
So this e-commerce application, I made it in as a team made it in our second year. I handle the back end of it. I maintain the databases. This is like a replica of Amazon and all other e-commerce application, but the unique feature in our app is that we can schedule the deliveries.
You can
Like,
schedule up the delivery. Is this
yeah,
operational now?
no, sir, not yet, but we are still working on it.
Okay, nice. Try to take up some help from the college itself because I think college management will help to do something projects now.
Yes, sir, they are.
Because I think the project will be successful because many of the sites don't provide this particular scenario of variation. Okay, nice.
Yes,
That thing is very great.
thank
What's
you.
the domain in the internship are you looking for?
Artificial intelligence and machine learning, sir.
Artificial intelligence and machine learning. But we can provide you only one. Choose one. Do you want artificial intelligence or do you want any machine learning?
I prefer artificial intelligence, sir, because
I,
machine learning I
in
have
in
experience.
my recommendation, you have to prefer machine learning because the backend process requires the machine learning algorithms very best. So, as your choice, we will opt for artificial intelligence. Manage to ask her questions.
Okay. One basic question.
Yes, sir.
What is an algorithm?
Algorithm is a predefined steps in which they follow the exact syntax to solve a problem.
What is domain? Lamba thoda answer nahi.
And what is feature extraction?
Domain is nothing but
In
address.
feature extraction, we I don't know exactly, but I think in feature
Domain
extraction
खाली
we
address रहता.
handle with the missing values and
हाँ,
find
domain
out
का
the
name नहीं
best
पता
features
बोला
which
मैं.
are relevant for
कर
training
दिया.
the model.
No, no, no. The definition of that is the extraction is the process of transforming raw data into a set of measurable properties that can be used for analysis or
Okay.
modeling.
कौन है?
Okay. And what is the difference between supervised and reinforcement learning?
Sir, in supervised learning, we handle with the label data. We train the model
Yeah,
with the label data to gain
yeah.
the results. But in reinforcement learning, it is a reward based learning where the model is rewarded for the right action it takes and it is punished for the wrong steps so that we ensure there is a improvement in the performance.
And what is label data?
In label data, the data set which we give, the classes are labeled, and in
Okay,
unlabeled data, it is just raw data.
okay. And what is hyperparameter in machine learning?
I am not familiar with it, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. And what is sentiment analysis?
In sentiment analysis, we analyze the features, I guess.
Mm, yeah. What are the common misconceptions about the artificial intelligence nowadays that going on?
The main misconception is that AI is going to replace all the working individuals, but it's not the case. Only up to an extent it can replace, but to even handle the AI, the working professionals have the technical aspects are needed.
Okay, okay. That's also, you may continue.
And
One thing,
That's it. Yes, sir.
what is the core programming language used for artificial intelligence?
Uh, I don't know, but I have worked with Prolog, sir, for building AIs.
Hey, this is an basic question. The core programming language used for artificial intelligence is Python. Yeah, you have to make look this basic things you have to get sure because now Python has different libraries. Python has such as for an example, we can take up Python in two ways, such as .py or ipnby. Ipnby is mostly used for the artificial type of things and for machine learning also. But the new software, such as you have mentioned, some sort of what was you saying?
Sir?
What was the
Prolog. Prolog.
prologue? So this is the called prologue. Prologue, na, basically considered for the machine learning process. Just a sec, I'm having technical issues. Such as a prologue can be represented in a list, or it can be represented in a particular algorithm for the sake of purposes. But the Python language is main in the artificial intelligence. So that's enough from our side. Satvika, thank you. Thanks for
Thank you, sir.
coming. We will select you. And what was your domain? Artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence.
Nice, nice. Thank you. Thanks for coming. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Okay. Uh, okay. I think Sakshira is waiting from a long time. Uh, Sakshira, you may proceed and please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay.
I'm Sakshi Rai. I'm final year computer science student at Vellore Institute of Technology, Bhopal, and I am doing a second degree, an online degree in data science from IIT Madras. So I have developed like some of the projects. I have developed some of the projects like flood prediction and ride fair predictions. And I have worked with various libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and Pandas. So that's it from my side.
Okay. One.
Okay, tell me about the flood risk project that you have done.
So it was based on my previous internship. So in that, what we have to do was to they gave the data. So I had to clean the data and see all the missing datas and deal with it. Then I had to train my model. I had used, I think, random forest and gradient boosting because they gave the best score. And after doing all of this, I had to like use it as an API using Flask, and developed a simple web application, like a simple where any user can put all the data and the machine learning model would give a result in the end.
And what is the regression technique that you have used?
Um, in the regression, I think I use like logistic regression, like simple one. So it gave, I think, 0.72
One
the
thing.
score.
Hiring manager. One
Yeah.
thing. Sakshi, do one thing. Just
Yes.
forward the link to a email of that flood reduction. We want to learn more about that flood reduction technique that you have done because
Yeah.
particularly we
Yeah.
have to mention up what did the candidate do in that particular projects so that the shortlistment of that particular scenario of for the internship application could be easy. So
Yeah, sure,
Sakshi,
sure. I will forward.
okay, thank you, Sakshi, thanks for coming. So, are you looking for an internship?
Yes, sir. My college is actually saying that I had to do a 45 days internship for my credits. So,
45
Okay,
days of
and
an
yeah,
in which domain do you want to do internship, in artificial
machine
intelligence or
learning.
machine learning?
Machine
Machine
learning.
learning. Okay,
Yeah.
just wait a sec. I will ask some question regarding the machine learning language.
Yes, sir.
uh,
What are the types of machine learning?
So, machine learning can be categorized based on if we want supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, and reinforcement learning. So, in supervised machine learning, we use like label data. For example, if I want to train my model to differentiate between a dog and a cat, so I will give photos of dog and cat with labels. But in
Okay.
unsupervised learning, we don't give them any like any labels. We just give them photos and they will see the patterns and recognize based on it. In the reinforcement learning, it is like a point system. So if they do something correct, the model does something correct, they get a positive point, and if they do something wrong, then they get a negative point. So based on that, they get 3.
Okay. And what is underfitting?
Underfitting is when the model is not trained with enough data, like less data is given, so it didn't get trained very well. And its opposite is overfitting, when we train the data too much and it becomes too rigid and doesn't predict for very good with test data.
Okay, okay. So you may continue.
Yeah, my hometown is in Durg, Chhattisgarh. I study in Vedi. 45 days. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I am Rathod Karan Singh. I am from Hyderabad. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech degree in 7th SEM from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. I have done project related to data science and machine learning and some project on web development. Yes, sir, I have. 2025, sir. Sir, this project I have done in second year, sir, with my team. So the idea was connecting the farmers online. So like in villages, many are getting educated and using smart devices, smartphones. So I just wanted to connect them with an app in which they can book their cultivation seeds and all other things in the app itself and get the payment to the laborers in the app itself.
So one thing, Rathod, uh, what's your core programming language?
uh, Python, sir.
Python. And what's the domain are you looking for an internship?
Machine learning, sir.
Machine learning. Okay, okay. So
i
Rathod,
am pursuing
oh,
I
no, no,
am pursuing my degree in data science specialization, sir.
machine. Oh, so one thing, Rathod, is the project operational now?
No, sir, it was just an prototype in second year.
So it wasn't prototype. So and you are looking for a machine learning internship. How many days of duration are you looking for the internship?
So I need internship for my college purpose also, sir. So
Oh,
45 to
45
60.
days, 45 to 60 days. Okay, that's really great. Manager, ask him some questions related to machine learning.
Okay, okay. So Rathod, what is CNN and RNN?
CNN is convolution neural network. Basically, in CNN we train images, and RNN is recurrent neural network, sir.
Okay, what is the use of RNN?
Sir, I work on CNN. I don't know much about RNN, sir.
You should be known. The corporate will don't understand that you don't know the CNN and RNN. You should know all the machine learning technique and all the just
Sir,
leave it.
my
Uh,
sir, my final year
okay,
project is on
बोलना
CNN, sir. So I have
हाँ
focused
okay,
on CNN.
ले लिया ना एक दो बंदों में से लिया
okay, okay. Suppose in future when you go to a corporate,
अरे बल्क
you
उठा के
say
वही
you
बल्क वाले
work, you
देना
are
हो
good at
ऑफिस से
CNN, and
वो
some
हिसाब से
other
देना
guy
सोच समझ के डालना
came
पड़ता है
and told
समझना
that the
हाँ
team
के
leader told to work on RNN. What will you do?
Sir,
what do they
I am a quick learner, sir. I can adapt to learning things, and I can switch to RN.
Okay, and what is neural network?
Neural network. A neural
out of that
network is
technology
inspired by human brain. In neural network, uh, there are multiple connections that are connected. Uh, each each learn new task.
Okay, and what is the workflow of machine learning?
In machine learning, first we collect the data. The first step is understanding the business, then collecting the data, analyzing the data, removing the uh, uh, removing bad data, and cleaning the data, modeling the data, and then applying the algorithm and then deploying. Sir.
okay okay Ratu, that's enough because you are looking for an internship not the job hold the scenario in this so we will get back to you on your email regarding the details thank you Ratu. Thanks for joining
Thank you, sir.
thank you so much uh, next one Rutul Chandra Rutul Chandrakar please
Hello,
introduce
sir.
yourself please introduce yourself
So, my name is Rutul Vivek Chindarkar. I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Computer from SSKM College of Engineering, which is affiliated to Mumbai University. I have a GPA of 9.18. My interest lies in software engineering, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. My tech stack includes Node.js, MongoDB, and ExpressJS.
okay that's enough that's a great explanation but one thing as of now I can see that you have freshly graduated from your college the college didn't provide you any placement assistance.
Those there were two startups which had come to our college, but in one of the startup I had not cleared the technical round, and in second I was rejected in second round. So I had cleared the technical.
Okay, that's the scenario. Why did they reject you? Any specific reason for that?
So no, they didn't mention specifically, but I think so. I was rejected in because I was not able to relocate. So I'm living in Sindhudurg, Maharashtra, and they wanted me to come to Mumbai.
Where did they say to relocate?
Mumbai.
Mumbai. That's great. So, what was the startup? Anything about the startup? Could you please elaborate me?
So it was not actually like a startup, but small size company which was providing services to the client. So a service based company.
Oh, it was
So
in
they had a
services.
project of
Mhm.
so they had a project of .NET and JavaScript. So I had applied for JavaScript.
Okay, that's enough. Oh, what is the job role you are looking for?
So software developer,
Software
back,
development. And what are your skills?
so backend development specifically.
Backend development. Any projects that justify your skills?
So there is a project called as WeatherStack API in my
No, no, no,
resume.
no. I'm not talking about the weather API because the weather API is the basic one. Tell me about this pharma e-commerce.
Pharma. So it was an e-commerce website which me and my team had developed in third year, where same like an e-commerce website, there will be different types of pharmaceutical products and tablets which will be displayed, and the user can place the order. So the main gist was that me and my team had not used any front-end library for it. So it was developed purely in JavaScript using Node.js, and for templating we had used EJS.
Okay, Rutul, look, you are looking for an job. So hiring manager ask him relevant to the job, not to the relevant to the internship sites.
So we can actually schedule another meet for him for the all
Okay,
job
okay,
seeking
fine.
candidates. We will get back to you, Rutul. You may leave.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, sir.
Next one. Pawan, I think I have rejected you.
Yeah, yeah, but my audible, I am audible. I don't know why you took me.
Pawan, there
And
is a background voice that is coming. You may leave the meet.
Yeah, yeah, no.
okay, next one, Sadiq Khan.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon, Sadiq. Please introduce yourself to the panel.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sadiq Khan, and currently I am pursuing my computer engineering at NIT Srinagar. And in programming language, I have a good foundation in C++, C language, and Python. I have done my data structure and object-oriented programming in C and C++. And a part of it, I have decided to move in machine learning. And currently, I am involved in two projects that I will do in December or Jan Feb. One project as NIT Kurukshetra and another at IIT Hyderabad.
Okay,
In
I'm
in
familiar with the members in the IIT Hyderabad. What project are you leading in IIT Hyderabad? Any information?
sir, sir, in IIT Hyderabad, I will be doing fine tuning of a grounding Dino model, which I think is an NLP model. But currently, I have not done deep learning and NLP, so I will do it in January or February.
So you are from NIT, and which year are you?
Sir,
In which year are you?
sir, I am in third year, fifth semester.
Third year, fifth semester. Did you
Yes,
come out of your any backlogs? Are you consisting of?
sir. Voice.
No, 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 no. Any backlogs you are consisting of?
No, no, sir. I do not have any backlog,
You
sir.
had cleared all the subjects. That's great.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes.
what do you need from outside? Any internships or any job?
Sir, as I am in third year, so I am looking for an internship.
Which domain are you looking for, and what's the duration of that?
Sir, I am looking for machine learning, and duration is more than 1 month, 45 days or 2 months. College has
Okay.
asked for 45 days, but I can go for 2 months, 3 months.
Because mainly IIT Hyderabad asks 60 days of internship. So we will make sure and calculate. Hiring manager asks,
Mhm.
because he's from NIT, don't show any partiality. Ask him certain questions.
Okay, okay. So, Sadiq, what
Yes,
is
sir.
transfer learning?
Transfer learning.
Yeah, in machine learning. It is a part of
Machine
machine learning.
learning. Sorry, sir, I have not gone through transfer learning. Sorry for that.
Okay. And what are the pros and cons of using decision trees?
So decision tree work well when data is small, but so when data is complex or we have multiple ways of classifying a few things, then it will fail because it works a proper way when it's a binary division.
Okay, okay. And what is principal component analysis?
Sorry, sir, I have not gone
Okay,
through this
okay,
topic.
okay. What are the common algorithms that are used in machine learning? Can you define
So common algorithms, sir. So from which point of view? From starting like data manipulation analysis.
for the analysis?
So for analysis, like so first of all, we have some knowledge of Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas to manipulate our data or to remove unwanted things in our data. And so after
Okay.
that, after completing that analysis, then we have to there may be chances that we have to manipulate some more things. Then after we will train our model that we will be looking for decision tree, naive Bayes, SVM like that.
Yeah, yeah. And what is a kernel trick in SVM?
The kernel trick is used. Sir, I just studied it. Sir, in SVM, it's a linear classifier. And when data is in multidimensional, we generally convert linear dimension to a multidimension like 2D or 3D. But when we
Okay.
convert it, then our data becomes very complex, internal storage. But control trick is used to minimize that complexity or that storage that our computer will be that our data is having.
That's a thanks. That will be enough. But so like, do one thing. We try to mug up the basics because as an NIT student, you don't come from the tier one, tier two, tier three colleges. You are from NIT. You should be punctual with all these things. I think you
Yes,
are
sir.
fumbling up in between. Look, do one thing, Sadik. Okay, we will get back to you with the details on your email because you are seeking an internship, and also
Yes, sir.
forward this link to your friend. Forward this joining link to your company details to your friends so that they can also avail this all this scenario. Thank you,
Yes,
Sadik.
sir.
Thank you
Yes,
for
sir.
coming.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Uh, the next one is next one Shahana. Next one Shahana. Okay, please introduce yourself. You're not audible. You're not audible. Please unmute your mic.
Hello,
Hello,
am I audible?
you are audible. You can speak now.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Sahana Devadika. I'm currently studying in third year of BE from JNC College.
Okay, in your third year. Okay, that's great. In JNC college, you have technical skills such as Python C. That's really great, and you have 76%. And okay, that's really good. And which domain are you looking for? And what's the
So I'm
duration?
looking for ML,
Uh-huh.
and I didn't get any information from college that we have to complete this much. I am looking for the internship or the basis of knowledge to gain knowledge.
Okay, that's really great. So that's nice initiative. Did you did any jobs in your particular scenario of your college?
No, sir.
Why any specific reason?
I have participated in some hackathons,
Okay.
but not in any job.
So any hackathon that you could mention over here because I can't see any hackathons on your resume.
Sir, I have participated in BNMIT, IBM
Okay.
hackathon.
Okay. Uh, Look, one thing, Fahana, as an AIML student, you have to do certain projects that can be presented over to the interview panel, so that the process of selection could be easier. So, you're an intern. We would like up to take an excuse from your side. So we will select you, and the process will be forwarded you on the email. Because now I'm not asking some sort of questions because I have to hire up more 10 candidates from this. So you are selected. Don't worry. We will forward you all the details on the email. Thank you. Thanks for coming. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next one. Uh, Sai Venkata.
Morning, sir.
Morning.
Morning, sir. Hello,
Please,
everyone.
please introduce yourself and please open your camera.
Sir, wait a minute.
If I will.
I think I have not given permissions. Sir, I have. Sir, sorry for waiting, sir. I haven't given permission to access camera, sir. So,
Okay, that's enough. Okay, that's enough. Look, tell me the introduction for you. And did you forward your resume to our email?
yes, sir, I have forwarded my
What's your
resume to your
what's your Gmail?
Sai Venkat 412003 at the gmail.com, sir.
I'm not finding. I'm not able to find that email. Look, one thing after this meeting, forward me your email. Look, are you on graduating end or do you have graduated from your college?
Sir, currently I am pursuing my BTech, sir, in a computer science background.
Mm-hmm.
Computer science background, sir.
Which college are you from?
I am from St. Peter's College, sir.
St. Peter's. Okay, Hyderabad or Andhra?
Hyderabad, sir.
Okay, okay, that's great. And what's your GPA in your college?
Sir, currently I have GPA of 7.3, sir.
7.3. And what's your uh, any sort of projects that you did?
So actually, I did a project called task reminder app with sort of some researches and a basic which reminds user on a certain time, and I added some additional feature like it will remind you certain location. If person reaches some location within a range, then our app reminds him. It I failed to complete this task, sir. But have gained some sort of knowledge on APIs and APIs. क्या बोलते हैं अभी? Basically developing full apps, sir. I understand how the app works, how to develop app.
Okay. That's enough. That's enough. Which domain are you looking for?
Sir, I'm looking for AI, sir.
AI, artificial intelligence. Hiring manager ask him some sort of questions for AI.
Okay, I will. So, Venkat,
Hello, sir. Good morning.
tell me about what do you know? Tell me your opinion on common misconceptions that are from AI.
Sir, currently common misconception is going is like AI steals the job, but actually the what is what scenario is going is AI is providing a boost up. Like for example, you when you use colored like AI, it provides you a code. If you type so and so, I need this much requirements, it will help you to automate task, which will save your time.
Okay, so Sai
Oh,
Venkat, that's enough. Look, as you are an intern pursuing candidate, we will consider you. Thank you. Thanks for coming. Thanks for giving your time. Thanks for coming. We'll forward all the details on email. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
Okay. Next one is Abhiram. Abhiram,
Good afternoon, sir.
please introduce yourself and.
Sir, my name is Abhiram. I'm currently studying BTech third year in Gunnanak Institute of Technology, Hyderabad.
Mhm.
I intermediate completed in Gaud Junior College.
Okay,
SSC
one.
completed in sir.
Okay, one thing, Abhiram. Did you forward your resume to our email?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Oh, one thing.